Hi guys, this is Katov. We are 17 years professional manufacturer of PTZ video conferencing camera in China. We support both OEM and ODM service. Now we are so happy to be here on 2020 ISE Netherlands. We show many of our new list cameras here, and now we would like to share our hot selling KT-H100 all-in-one camera. This is integrated camera and PC. It's Full HD 1080p video resolution and with 12x optic zoom. It's built in Windows system, and here we would like to share the video port. As you can see, it has mini DP port, HDMI, USB, IP, line in, line out, mic in, RS232, and this USB port you can connect keyboard and mouse. This also has wireless solution, the Wi-Fi. And since this is camera built in PC, you can install any software as you like, such as Zoom, Skype for Business, BlueJS, GoToMeeting, and so on. It's so fantastic solution. So if you have any project need our support, welcome to contact us, Katov. Our website is katovid.com. Remember us, Katov. Thank you.